Alpha Xi Delta's Women of Distinction Award is the fraternity's most prestigious alumni honor. It is given to those sisters who provide outstanding services to their communities and obtain distinguished achievements within their profession. We are pleased to present Dr. Charlotte West, Dr. Angela HEWLETT, and Ginny Carroll with Alpha Xi Delta's Women of Distinction Award. Our first 2015 Woman of Distinction is Dr. Charlotte West. Charlotte joined Alpha Xi Delta's Alpha Omega chapter as an undergraduate at Florida State University. Charlotte completed a double major in math and physical education. She received her master's degree in physical education and dance from UNC Greensboro and began her career at Southern Illinois University. Dr. West is considered a pioneer in women's athletics and Title IX. She had a 40-plus year career at Southern Illinois University and worked hard to create more athletic opportunities for women across the country. While working at Southern Illinois University, Charlotte became heavily involved with Title IX legislation, serving as a consultant. Charlotte helped organize championships for women through the American Association of Intercollegiate Athletics for Women, an organization for which she also served as president. She continued her work advocating for equality in athletics by serving on the NCAA's Committee on Financial Aid and Amateurism, the Committee on Athletic Certification, and the Gender Equity Task Force. She was the first woman member of the National Association of Collegiate Directors of Athletics and was inducted into their Hall of Fame in 2006. Charlotte was also the first recipient of the Women Administrator of the Year Award from the National Association of Collegiate Women Athletics Administrators. And in 1996, she was also named the first recipient of the Honda Award of Merit, a national honor given for outstanding achievement in women's collegiate athletics. Our second 2015 Woman of Distinction is Dr. Angela HEWLETT. Angela joined the Beta Alpha chapter in 1994 at the University of Texas, Austin. After completing her undergrad at the University of Texas, she attended medical school, completed 2 residencies, and received her master's degree at the University of Texas Medical Branch in Galveston, Texas. One chapter sister said she excelled, and her thirst for knowledge was insatiable, culminating in being selected as the outstanding senior medical student in internal medicine. After completing medical school, she began her residency at UTMB, winning many awards during her residency years, and ultimately served as internal medicine's chief resident. As a distinguished member of her community, Angela has received many awards and recognitions. She has been published in more than 25 scholarly journals and named on the Best Doctors in Omaha and Best Doctors in America lists. She's been interviewed for her medical expertise on NBC, MSNBC, and CNN. Dr. HEWLETT specializes in infectious diseases and is the Assistant Medical Director for the Nebraska Biocontainment Patient Care Unit at the Nebraska Medical Center in Omaha. When the Ebola outbreak hit West Africa, Dr. HEWLETT was ready to serve and put all her years of training to good use. She worked countless hours with her team to treat the Ebola patient who was sent to the unit in Nebraska. In addition, Dr. HEWLETT was selected by the Centers for Disease Control to conduct trainings at hospitals across the country to teach staff the proper security protocols when working with patients infected with Ebola. After those trainings, she and her team at the University of Nebraska Medical Center Biocontainment Unit began conducting training sessions for interested hospital staff in Omaha. While Dr. HEWLETT will continue to be a shining star in the medical field for many years to come, she has attained a level of excellence that is worthy of the Alpha Xi Delta Women of Distinction Award. Our third 2015 Women of Distinction is Ginny Carroll. Ginny joined the Epsilon Kappa chapter at Western Kentucky University in 1982. She received her Bachelor of Science in Industrial Technology with a concentration in graphic communication. She began her career with Alpha Xi Delta National Fraternity in 1985. In 11 years, she was promoted 5 times within Alpha Xi Delta. She was appointed National Executive Director of the fraternity and the Alpha Xi Delta Foundation in 1995, where she oversaw financial and business management. In 2001, Ginny founded Ingenuity, a consulting business that focuses on improving team synergy through retreats, professional skill development, keynotes, and other learning strategies. Ginny frequently speaks to businesses, student audiences, and emotional intellect, multi-generational communication, and building leadership capacity. Ginny is a strong proponent of the fraternity and sorority experience. She was awarded for fostering positive change and advancing the fraternal movement. The Association of Fraternity Advisors presented her with the Anson Award in 2006. This honor is given to well-respected individuals who demonstrate a long-term commitment to the fraternity and sorority community. She has had 10 years of experience as a human relations consultant and 15 years of experience as a nonprofit association leader. Throughout her career, Ginny has received praise for her work as a facilitator, speaker, coach, and writer. She is a creative and articulate professional whose visionary leadership challenges people to invite the extraordinary into their lives. Ginny Carroll is passionate about empowering women. As a college-educated woman and a strong proponent of the sorority experience, she felt a responsibility to do something to help girls and women around the world pursue an education. This led her to create the Circle of Sisterhood Foundation. This charitable organization is a mechanism by which all sorority women can stand together across affiliation, age, color, and creed to make a difference in the lives of millions of girls and women. Since its inception, Circle of Sisterhood has been able to support organizations working in 17 countries on 4 continents, including funding to build schools. Dr. Charlotte West, Dr. Angela HEWLETT, and Ginny Carroll are all innovators who realize their potential and inspire others to do the same. And the best part? They're all Alpha Xi Deltas. Congratulations to this year's Women of Distinction.